Alright guys, what's up? We have a 2021 GasGas MCE5 here. And I've done walkarounds and stuff on the KTM and walkarounds on the Husky, but hadn't done anything on the GasGas. We just got this one. And I just want to give you guys a look at it and tell you a few facts, give you my thoughts on it. First of all, sorry about the camera being shaky. I only had the Canon with me today and didn't have a gimbal or tripod or anything with me, so sometimes you just got to make it work. So yeah, this is the 2021 GasGas, and the interesting thing about this, probably the most interesting, is that just like all the other mini bikes from GasGas, it is exactly a KTM, even down to as far as how the plastics are shaped. Everything crosses over. It's just red instead of orange. That's literally it. But the interesting point is that it's $350 cheaper than the KTM, and as of right now I haven't been able to figure out why. But I think it looks just as good, if not better, than the KTM. I really love these GasGas looks. The black seat, I would like the black seat, but the black seat from the KTM will work if you want it. So I know there's a few other people out there who have been wondering why they are $350 cheaper than the KTM too. So pretty interesting little piece there. If you guys haven't seen my other videos on them, they have the 6 power modes there. They have the tether on the handlebar. They have another tether under the seat that allows you to keep the bike from changing modes if you don't want it to. That's what AMA is going to use to make sure the kids don't change the mode on the track and stuff like that. Besides that, you're talking the same quality components as the Gas 50, but no clutches, no top ends. It's worth noting that so far the only thing I've heard on any of these bikes going bad was one charger, which KTM warranted. So we haven't seen any issues with them. You've got no heat, no fumes, and very, very little noise. Keep the neighbors happy. I feel like this is going to be good for the sport, guys. I really do. So, alright, thanks for watching, and we'll try to put up more videos of this whenever I can.